Directions. Use each distance time graph to answer the questions. Remember, steeper line equals faster speed. Flat line equals stopped. So a flat line going across the stop. A downward line equals returning towards the start. So you're going towards start when the line is going down and you're slowing down. So problem 1, field trip journey. A class leaves school to visit a science museum. They stop for lunch along the way. Graph description. The class starts at 0 miles at 9 a.m., reaches 40 miles at 10 a.m., distance stays the same until 10:30 a.m., and reaches 70 miles at 11:30 a.m. The first thing I'm going to do is label my X and Y axis. So let's go ahead and label those axes. So my X axis is actually going to be time. So we're going to do time, and our time is going to be in hours. So time is in hours. And then on our y-axis, let me put X right here. On our y-axis is actually going to be distance. So I'm going to put my distance right here. And the distance is actually measured in miles. So I put miles right here in parentheses. So now the first thing it says is the class starts at 0 miles at 9 a.m. So that lets me know right here in this bottom left corner, we're starting at 0 miles. So I put a 0 right here, but the time is 9 a.m. So 9 a.m. So now I need to be able to go over by equal increments so the graph won't be too small and the graph won't be too large either. So I need to make sure that I have equal enough increments that I can go over so we can clearly see the graph. So I'm going to go over every 4 spaces. So this is going to be 9 a.m., 9:15, 9:30, 9:45. This next one is 10 a.m. So that's 10. And then I'm going to go over 10:15, 10:30, 10:45, 11 o'clock. So this is going to be 11 a.m. And this is going to be 11:15. And here is 11:30 a.m. Now, the reason why I knew to stop at 11:30 a.m. or go that far is because our last point says it reaches 70 miles at 11:30 a.m. So we got our time axis taken care of. Now let's go ahead and do our distance axis. So our distance, our highest number for distance is 70 miles. So let's see if we can do every other notch. So this is going to be 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, which that works out perfectly. So I'm going to put 20 miles right here, 40, 60, 80, 100. So now we got our x-axis filled out. We got our y-axis filled out. So now let's start graphing. It says the class starts at 0 miles at 9 a.m. So they start in this very bottom left corner right here. That's the starting point. I'm going to cross that out. They reach 40 miles at 10 a.m. So I'm going to go up here to the 40 and come down to 10. So I'm going to put a notch right here. So when I put that notch right there, I'm going to draw a line going straight from that notch to their starting point. Cross that out. Or we could put a check by it. Distance stays the same until 10:30. That means the distance is a flat line. So here's 10 and here's 11. Remember, 10:15, 10:30, 10:45, 11 a.m. So that means the distance stayed the same from 10 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. So we stop right there. And then it says reaches 70 miles at 11:30 a.m. All right, so now here's 11:30 a.m., but here's 60, here's 80. So the number right in between has to be 70 right here. So I'm going to take this across and I'm just going to make my notch right here. And it comes down to 11:30. And then I'm just going to connect my dots. So connect my dots right here. So this is how this graph looks. Now let's answer our questions. Number 1, what time did the class leave school? So now it clearly says the class starts at 0 miles at 9 a.m. So they left the school at 9 a.m. 9 a.m. Number 2, at what time did they stop for lunch? So now this is where the flat line is. That means the bus was stagnant. That means they stopped for lunch right here. So that's at 10 a.m. So I'm going to put 10 a.m. right here. How far had they traveled when they stopped? So if we look up here, here's the flat line, but when they stopped, how far? I'm going to take this over. They had traveled 40 miles before they stopped. So I'm just going to put my 40 miles. How long was the lunch stop? So remember, they started at 10. The lunch stop started at 10, but then they started moving again right here. So the lunch stop is the number directly in between 10 a.m. and 11 a.m., which is going to be 10:30. So that means they stopped from 10 to 10:30. That means they stopped for 30 minutes. That's how long was the lunch stop was. So 30 minutes. And then what time did they arrive at the museum? It says reaches, and I cross that out, reaches 70 miles at 11:30 a.m. So that means they got here at, here's 70 miles right here. I take it down. They got there at 11:30 a.m. So 11:30 a.m. What was the total distance from school to the museum? This is very easy. We started at 0 miles, but then we stopped right here at 11:30 a.m. We stopped right here at 70 miles. So the total distance from the school to the museum was 70 miles. And there you have it. There's problem number one. Let's go ahead and look at problem number two.